This caramel apple Gillette is so good. You need to try it. It's like an open-faced apple pie. First thing we got to do is make the pie dough, and it's so easy. You're just combining flour, a little bit of sugar, a tad of salt, and then you mix that together before adding some cold thin slices of butter and a little bit of water. And then you're going to have a dough that looks just like this. It looks like it's not going to come together, but once you grab it, it's going to form into a nice ball, and you want to make it into a disc so it's easier to roll out. Wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and work on the filling. It's just thinly sliced apples, some brown sugar, of course, cinnamon, a little bit of cornstarch, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Set that to the side and take out the chilled pie dough. Now you're just gonna roll it out on some parchment paper, and it's easy to roll it when you have some plastic wrap in between the roller and the dough. Transfer to a baking sheet and then line those beautiful apples on top of the pie dough. Just make sure to leave 2 inches around the edges because we are gonna fold those over. And here we're going for a nice and rustic look. Then we're just going to add a little bit of egg wash to the pie crust so it helps it get nice and golden brown, and then a little bit of brown sugar. While that bakes, make the caramel. It's just brown sugar, butter, and a little bit of milk. Mix it all together until it's this nice thickness, and then drizzle it right on top of the baked apple Gillette. And this is going to be heavenly. Sometimes I like to add some chopped walnuts or chopped pecans on top for a little extra touch. This is a crowd pleaser. You need to make it.